This bodycam video from March 2018 begins with a friendly exchange between the officer and our suspect, Samantha Glass. But it's very clear that Glass was drunk and did not intend to cooperate with the officer. It's one particular move by the officer seen in this video against Glass that is being called into question when this footage had gone viral. Let's see how it all happened.
Hey, ma'am. How you doing?
We could see Samantha sitting on the floor. Let's hear how their conversation goes.
I'm Chris.
I'm Sam.
Sam. I take it, Sam, that's your car out there.
Yeah, I'm waiting for my boyfriend and my daughter to show up.
Is your boyfriend's truck the red one? So do you live here?
Well, we have two places separately.
So you don't live here. You live somewhere else? Okay. What were you doing to his truck?
Nothing.
The way she responds to the officers is so nonchalant. It seems like she does not give a damn.
You over by his truck. That's why they called us. What were you doing?
I was trying to change my tire.
No, by his truck.
What are you talking about?
You heard me.
So the neighbors called the police because she was being suspicious around her boyfriend's truck.
That's what I said.
I wonder why.
People were watching you over by your boyfriend's truck. What were you doing?
Nothing.
You can try better than that. What were you doing to his truck?
Nothing.
Why were you over there?
What are you talking about?
I just explained that. I just said.
No,
People
he
were
said,
watching.
What are you doing by his truck?
Right.
And I said,
Now she's just talking in circles. Why can't you just answer the question about what you were doing around your boyfriend's truck?
People were sitting there
I'm not
watching you.
trying to get
No,
his truck.
not right now. You were. People were watching you.
Who?
Members of the people that live here were watching you, trying to get.
She's explaining now. Let's hear it.
What were you doing to
I'm
his
not
truck?
doing anything. We've
Okay.
been together for like 8 years,
Okay.
and we had a falling out. Yes.
Okay.
Not doing anything to his truck. We have a shared
Okay.
everything as vehicle-wise, bill-wise, everything. We have everything.
I see. Do you have a driver's license on you and your person, on an ID?
I
You don't? George 15. I'm out with a
He's
female by
actually
apartment
on his
2081.
way right now.
Is he? Never.
Is there a problem?
Yeah, because it looked like you were trying to break into his truck, so that's a problem.
Why would it?
The officer is so smart in directly confronting her like that. Now we know she's trying to break into her boyfriend's truck.
Change my tire.
No, he wasn't here. You said you're waiting for
He
him.
is here.
Oh, where is he then?
And he went that way.
No, you were by
and-
yourself. People were watching you. People were watching you.
Oh, okay.
Way to go, officer. He keeps spitting out the truth behind Samantha's lies.
What's your last name? Do you want me to put you in handcuffs right now then? I mean,
What
is
did I
that
do? I'm
is that what?
sitting here waiting.
Yeah,
I just got
ma'am,
off the phone with
ma'am.
him.
How about attempted
Hold
vehicle
on,
burglary?
Hold on.
If
hold
you'd like,
on.
we can go there.
Hey, how about you hold on and I will get him on the phone right now?
What difference does it make in calling your boyfriend on the phone, Missy?
Because I'm not fucking doing anything wrong.
Yeah.
So anybody
Sure looks that way to me.
is having a problem, you can talk to him.
No, my problem's with you right now.
I'm not doing it. I'm sitting here waiting for him to come home.
That's not what you were doing though. It looked like you were
I
trying to
was
break
just
into his
sitting-
truck.
I'm sitting fucking right here. Are you
Don't-
fucking shitting me right now?
Don't swear at me. I haven't sworn at you. Don't swear at me.
You're trying to play my words right
And now she's acting aggressive. Guilty much?
Are you fucking shitting me? You're the one with the problem, not me.
Oh, no.
Not him.
Right, because he's not here.
That's why I'm getting him on the phone.
I see. And that's his truck? Yes? Yeah. I am. Because I'm about to grab a hold of you and put you in handcuffs.
No.
Yeah.
You're
Look at her trying to escape.
fucking shitting me right
Nope, you're not free to leave. You are not free to leave.
Nicholas!
Put your hands behind your back.
Good Lord. Hear that sound when her face smacked into the floor? That was hard.
I'm good. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. You are being detained right now. Oh, you got that one? Yep. All right.
Here goes the handcuffs.
Sorry. I told you weren't free to leave, ma'am.
Jesus, look at that blood. Must have been a very hard hit.
Police officer. Okay? I told you I needed you to stay here while we figured out if you were trying to break into his truck. All right. Here, sit up. Sit up. Let's have you sit up.
That's a lot of blood. The officer really took that face slam seriously.
Right here. Oh, she's very 390. Very 390.
So what we got was a guy walked up out there saying that he was involved in an altercation when we were outside. That's
Okay.
as far as we got. So
Even the other officer looks concerned about the blood on the floor.
Being detained for potentially breaking into the red truck and then tried to leave, told her to stop. And there we are.
Do you think they have a right to hurt her like this? I wanted to hear your opinions too.
so fire's coming. We didn't even get like a real statement from him yet. So what do you need to do?
I don't know about you, but I feel a bit bad for Samantha now. Hopefully she gets treatment immediately.
I will.
You need gloves?
I got some.
There he goes on. Hey, let's move her down here. And then let's... Thank you. And then we need to try to nail down a statement for him.
It's my daughter's birthday.
We're going to have the fire department look at you.
But can we talk to her right now? Without anyone. Yeah. So let's get her down
All right,
first.
here, sit up.
Oh, fuck you! Don't fucking touch
Well,
me!
Hey, you're bleeding all over the place.
Look at her still bleeding while being assisted to stand up. I hope she will be okay after all this.
Yep. Yep.
Ma'am, we gotta get fire to see you.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Hey, come on, just walk for us.
Come on.
We'll get down here and we'll talk.
They got you.
Come on.
They got you.
You got me, you fucking piece of bullshit.
Oh, don't spit.
Bullshit.
Don't spit. That's not a good idea.
Fucking shit. It's not a good
Which way
idea.
we headed?
Maybe if you had fucking...
Gates.
Now she's screaming. I totally get her right now because that definitely hurt.
Come on.
Come on. Yeah, you come on, you fucking bald-headed piece of shit. I just
All right.
wanted to go home with my daughter's birthday.
Here, she can sit right here.
No, you
Sit right here. Sit right here.
No, where's Nick? Nick!
Hey.
Stay right here.
See the girl bloody.
She's calling her boyfriend's name. Where is he, by the way? He must be still inside his truck.
Down. She's sitting down right over there. Relax. Okay?
No! I want my daughter! I want my daughter!
Well, you don't want her to see you like this.
Husband.
He's over there.
Where?
I thought you said
Where?
boyfriend.
Where?
We can't talk to him right now, okay?
Nick!
Hey.
I know for sure her boyfriend won't go near all this fuss.
Nicholas!
Here's the deal.
Nikolai!
Get a statement from him.
Nikolai!
Are you okay staying here with her?
I'm good, yeah.
All that screaming won't do any help, Samantha. Just go with the officers now.
Come on, we're going to, here, stand up.
No,
Stand
fuck
up.
you! Nick! Nick!
I got her.
Now she's acting hysterical. Time to stop screaming. Maybe? It's like midnight over there.
All right, have a seat. Have a seat.
In the car.